What is up? It is day 4 of the 10-day belly fat burn challenge. I am Coach Greg. Today we'll be doing some floor-based core exercises. So if you want to get your sweat on, burn some fat, let's get started then. I'm going to quickly demo the exercises for you and then we're going to get right into our sets. So first exercise, we have plank jacks. Get yourself into a plank position and we are just going to be alternating between having our feet inside and then outside the mat, just like this. You can have arm positioning straight or you can go down onto your forearms, whatever you feel comfortable with. Next, we have mountain climbers. Same plank-based position, but now we're just trying to focus on bringing our knee up to our chest. Now, depending on your skill level, you can run with it like so, or you can just focus on tap, 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 tap. Just like that. Moving along, we have leg raises. You're gonna flip onto your back, and you're just gonna focus on pressing the small of your back into the ground, arms out, and we're just raising our legs. Now, if you wanna hover, you can, at least 6 inches off the ground, or you can drop them, reset, and bring those legs up as high as you can. And then last, from this seated position, you can do in and outs. Just focus on bracing with your hands, and you're focusing on bringing those knees in, and then bringing those legs out, and really focusing on having a hollow position, flexing your core, just like that. Now, if that is too difficult, you can tap the ground first, and then bring your knees to you, just like that. All right, now that you know all the 4 exercises, let's get started with this belly fat burn, day 4. Let's get it. Plank jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Trying to mess up with your mat like I am. Very good. Next, mountain climbers. Get yourself in position. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Again, you can go fast with it, or you can slow it down. The main thing is intention. Make sure each rep, each second, you're pushing yourself. Great job. Flip onto your back. We got leg raises. Stretch out. 30 seconds. Here we go. Make sure you're breathing. And again, if that's too hard, rest your legs on the ground after each rep. Last, in and out. Here we go. Get yourself ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And again, same thing. Keep your feet on the ground first. Just bring it like that. But if you wanna go a little harder, just fully extend. Alrighty, there you have it. First set done. Grab some water. We're gonna get started with the second set in just a second. Alrighty, my core is on fire. This is day 4, so here we go. Second set. Let's crush it right now. Plank jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Mountain climbers in 3, 2, 1, go. Leg raises in 3, 2, 1, go. In and outs, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Water time, and then one more set to go. Come on, you are doing amazing. Come on, this is where it counts. This is where it matters. Like I said, every rep, every second, push yourself. Here we go, set number 3 starts now. Plank jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Mountain climbers in 3, 2, 1, go. Leg raises in 3, 2, 1, go. In and outs, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Day 4 is done. Give yourself one of these and one of these. This is the 10-day belly fat burn challenge. Hope you like this as much as I did. Go ahead and leave comments below. Are you feeling it? Do you like it? Do you want the intensity to go up, go down? Either way, we want to hear from you. And then tune in tomorrow for Coach Gabby. She'll be taking you through day 5. That'll be our halfway mark. So really push yourselves, have fun. And if you are posting any videos or pictures on social media, make sure you use the hashtag SvelteChallenges. And again, I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.